The First Afghan War survived through stories long after the battlefields fell silent.
The First Afghan War survived forever as one of history's most unforgettable imperial disasters.
The doomed retreat through Afghanistan remained one of empire's most haunting military disasters. The broken sword became another symbol of failed ambition within Afghanistan's mountains. Afghanistan witnessed countless empires arrive, believing their power would last forever. Afghanistan remained unconquered in spirit, despite every empire that crossed its mountains. The final snowfalls covered the scars of war, but never erased the memories beneath. The land itself endured beyond every war, empire, and passing generation of conquerors. Empires faded into history, but Afghanistan's mountains endured far beyond every invasion and war.
Even after the armies vanished, the memory of war remained across Afghanistan's valleys. Countless soldiers vanished here, remembered only by silence and drifting snow. Among Afghan tribes, the war became a powerful story. It was a story of resistance against empire. Many British veterans spent years haunted by the mistakes made in Afghanistan. The retreat through the mountains became a ghost story, remembered across generations. The war revealed how arrogance could destroy even the mightiest imperial ambitions.
The mountains watched silently as another empire disappeared beyond the horizon. Long after the war ended, Afghanistan remained the crossroads of competing empires. Gandamak remained forever linked to one of history's most devastating military disasters. The abandoned camps slowly vanished beneath snow, silence, and the passing years.
Back in Britain, families mourned soldiers who never returned from Afghanistan.
For centuries, empires crossed these roads, believing they could control Afghanistan forever. The war left behind broken armies, shattered ambitions, and thousands of forgotten graves. Long after the battles ended, the stories continued traveling across generations and borders. Years passed quietly, but the memory of the war never completely disappeared. The First Afghan War left a shadow that followed the British Empire for decades. Although the war ended, Afghanistan remained a fragile and dangerous frontier for empires. A new generation grew up, surrounded by the fading scars of the invasion. The mountain passes still carried whispers of the frozen retreat long afterward. Military leaders studied the campaign carefully, hoping future invasions would avoid similar disasters.
Each winter storm seemed to awaken memories of the doomed retreat once more.
Afghanistan remained unpredictable, unconquered, and endlessly dangerous for foreign powers. The Afghan disaster revealed how fragile imperial confidence could truly become. The First Afghan War ended long ago, but its lessons still echo through history. Afghanistan's ancient strongholds had watched countless armies rise and disappear through history. The abandoned outposts became silent reminders of Britain's failed occupation campaign. The retreating regiments survived only as shadows carried through memory and legend. The Afghan catastrophe forced Britain to confront the dangers of imperial overconfidence. Every winter, Gandamak seemed to bury the tragedy deeper beneath the snow.
For survivors on every side, the war remained impossible to completely forget. Life moved forward across Afghanistan, even after the violence of the Great Invasion. Afghanistan challenged the belief that imperial maps guaranteed permanent control over distant lands.
The symbols of empire slowly decayed beneath Afghanistan's endless mountain winters. Afghanistan endured the invasion and continued moving forward beneath the rising sun. Like many empires before it, Britain discovered Afghanistan could never be easily controlled.
Eventually, even the fires of war faded into silence beneath Afghanistan's endless skies. Future generations continued studying the war and the lessons hidden within its history.
The mountains endured beyond wars, kings, invasions, and the rise of empires. The First Afghan War survived forever as a haunting chapter within imperial history.
The frozen frontier remained silent long after the final armies disappeared beyond the mountains. The once proud symbols of empire slowly disappeared beneath Afghanistan's endless mountain winds.
Even the mountains seemed to remember the sound of armies crossing their deadly passes. Afghanistan's harsh landscape often proved deadlier than the armies fighting across it. Ordinary people witnessed empires arrive, fight, and vanish across the Afghan frontier.
The violence slowly faded, leaving only ashes scattered across the frozen valleys. Countless lives were lost here, remembered only by weathered stones beside forgotten trails. Eventually, nature reclaimed the battlefields as life quietly returned to the valleys.
For many British veterans, Afghanistan remained a painful lesson they could never escape. The roads of Afghanistan carried traders, armies, and legends across countless generations.
The deadly retreat through the mountains became a legend, whispered across generations.
Despite war and destruction, Afghanistan continued welcoming each new dawn in silence.
The retreat through Afghanistan destroyed not only armies, but imperial confidence itself.
Many who entered Afghanistan vanished quietly, leaving behind only scattered relics of war. Time slowly erased the scars of war, but never the memory behind them.
Afghanistan's dangerous terrain shaped every journey, invasion, and retreat throughout history.
Afghanistan remained a land of endless journeys, despite the wars fought across its deserts. The First Afghan War became a warning repeated by historians, soldiers, and empires alike. History moved onward, carried quietly by travelers crossing the endless Afghan frontier. The Afghan disaster became a lasting shadow hanging over Britain's imperial ambitions.
Long after the invasion ended, Afghanistan's ancient roads continued carrying travelers and merchants.
Afghanistan's ancient strongholds survived invasions that once believed themselves unstoppable.
Each winter storm seemed to bury the tragedy deeper within Afghanistan's frozen mountains. Future generations studied the war carefully, searching for lessons hidden within the disaster. Afghanistan's ancient pathways continued surviving long after the wars had ended. Above the wars below, Afghanistan's mountains remained wild, free, and untamed by empires. The First Afghan War survived forever as one of history's most unforgettable imperial disasters. Historians preserved the story carefully so future generations would remember its lessons.